subscribe and hit the bell icon for any future upload. And also, relax and enjoy the experience. Hey, what is up guys? Siddharth here, back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to test your headphones. Now of course, this might seem like a strange topic, how to test your headphones. Well, this is a test to see if it's worth the money that you bought for or not. So, why don't we start off with the test. So, this video is going to be made with the help of another video by a probably unknown YouTuber like Hi Hacker. Now, he recently uploaded a video called Ultimate Headphone Tests, which is actually a video which puts your headphones through various frequencies. The highs, the mids, the lows, even it tests out the bass, frequency, and of course the wave patterns. So, how much power is going through the right or the left, polarities, all that stuff. This video is amazing, and it actually is one of the only videos possibly on YouTube that helps us test out these functions of a headphone and test its worth. Now of course, I will also link that video in the video description if you want to check out your headphones worth as well. So why don't we get on to the live testing of the headphones. So of course, my headphones of choice for this video is going to be the Motorola Pulse Escape 2. Now these are some good pair of headphones, and I'll link my unboxing video up there in the cards as well as in the video description of these headphones. These are great pair of headphones, these are wireless, and of course also support auxiliary input. So you have best of both worlds, and even though you might lose battery on the headphones, you can even plug them in to the aux cable and continue listening. Now of course, these aren't the most durable headphones because they're made of plastic, but these are nice and comfortable. Probably not for the longest of listening periods, but these are comfortable while they last. So for this test, I'm actually going to be running the test while it's connected with a wire that came within the box. Now of course, many would say, since it's a Bluetooth headset, why don't I test it that way? But right now, I think it's better to test it with a wire since it's much more frequently connected. Now of course, in order to test your actual worth of these headphones is if you're using it on full volume, so you could get the best listening quality available. And actually these headphones do get a bit loud, so you would maybe be able to hear some of what's coming out these headphones. How good is your headphones? Let's take it to its limits. Warning: wear headphones. That's a warning.
The first file tests your headphone's bass extension. The following frequencies ranges from 200 Hz to 10 Hz. Good headphones will go as low as 20 Hz, the lowest limit of our hearing. Let's see how far can you go. The second file tests your headphone's treble extension. Good headphones will reproduce frequencies up to 20,000 Hz, the upper limit of human hearing
this is gonna
range.
tear my... I lost it at 15,100, I guess? Yeah, so mine lost in 15,100.
Poorly built headphones may start to rattle whenever loud or deep bass content is played. The next file scans bass frequencies and will literally shake your drivers when turning the level up. Adjust the volume in your headphones so that the test is made at a high level. The sweeping tone should remain pure and clear at all frequencies, without any buzz. Better headphones have tighter tolerances in the variation of the driver's frequency responses. To reproduce a faithful stereo image, the left and the right drivers must respond equally to every frequency
so this
in the
is
audible
the...
spectrum. The next sweeping tone should keep a perfect central position across all
this
frequencies.
part
playing
should
right
be
in the
able
middle of
to
your head
play
without
music on
any
each side.
deviation. Binaural
the Verge's video.
are recordings made by placing microphones directly in one's ear. By playing back the recording through headphones, one ensures that each of the listener's ears get the exact same signals as originally captured. Headphones that are properly wired will route the left channel to the left earpiece and the right channel to the right.
That's the most stereoscopic effect, the 3D sound kind of effect.
When presented with the same input signal, both drivers should move in the same direction, not opposite of each other.
Alright, got it.
Let's test it. Let's do a hearing
Alright,
test.
the
Note
final
frequency
test.
when you start
This is
hearing
actually the
the
final
sound.
test where it actually rates everything. Yeah, at around 15,100 hertz, I could actually start listening, and my tag for that was remarkable. So these headphones are remarkable. Yay! So let me just come to say what I've actually been wanting to say for a while. So according to what tags they gave for each frequency, my headphones were able to pick up the highest frequency as 15,100 hertz approximately. So that's actually pretty good, and it's not that bad. So according to the taglines they gave me, these headphones are actually remarkable. And they did mention that great headphones go as low as 20 hertz, and that's the lowest hearing capacity that humans have. And these did reproduce 20 hertz, so that's also a huge thumbs up. And of course, the bass drivers are good, and of course, while they do not produce a high amount of bass which rattles your head, it is pretty frequent and constant. So that's amazing. If you want, get these headphones, they're remarkable. And of course, whatever headphones you're wearing now to watch this video, you can test them out with the link in the video description. It's a separate video, go ahead, check it out, and probably comment down whatever tagline you get. So that wraps up for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on all social media links linked down in the video description. Support me on Patreon, and I'll see you guys later.